ano-ano ba? Ang sakit aray-aray. Ang sakit po tama na. Bakit ba ganito ang nagyayari sa akin? Ang init po, tama na po. Bakit mo ginagawa ito sa akin?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Alam ko ang ginagawa ko sa'yo. Alam ko na mainit at masakit, pero sa ngayon ito ang makabubuti sa iyo. Konting tiis lang para sa ikabubuti ng buhay mo to. Manalig ka lang.
Hello mga ka-inspired. As you watch that video, siguro na natatawa kayo. Kahit nga ako natatawa ako. But I'm doing it of course. Because for sure, it will inspire us. While I'm doing it, deep inside me, I keep on laughing. But you know what? There's such a great inspiration from that. Kung ikaw ay isang damit at may mainit na plansa na kumikiskis or, ironing you, wow, it hurts. Maybe so many questions why these things are happening to me. And many times we look at life that way. Di ba? We focus on the things, rough things that took place in our life. But we are not aware that there is always someone with, he has all the purpose, knowing what is best for us. Kung ikaw ay isang damit na pinaplansa, it looks funny. Pero kung after that, magiging maganda ang dating, magiging smooth and presentable you become, you come to understand why there is such heat or things that are challenging, rough, that took place in my life. Because the point is, in the mind of our God, He has all the purposes in everything that took place in our life. So mga ka-inspired, if ever you are facing things that it has so many questions in your mind, or we say you don't understand why these things is happening. Remember, there is someone who truly understands, and he has all the holy purpose of those things that is happening to us. It's like those first video that I gave to you. May mga purpose yung mga dahon. So yung plansa na yun ay purpose din. Because at the end of the day, here comes the owner of that cloth or shirt that will be proud because you become presentable. But those things happen due to the ironing. And you know what? Sometimes we need those things. Or I would say daily, we need these things for us to be a person that God purpose or want us to be. Let me give this verse to you. This is found in in James chapter 1, verse 2 and 3. Consider it pure joy, my brothers, if you face all kinds of trials. Because if you had stood the test, you will develop the perseverance of faith. You see, guys, ka-inspired, those things, rough things, hit, whatever circumstances that makes life hard, in God's mind, in our Creator's mind, He has such great purpose, wonderful purpose why those things happened to you. And at the end of the day, there is something better beneficial out from that. Just like that shirt, you become presentable, and the owner who irons you find happiness and even proud to go out and show forth because his shirt is tidy. That's life. So mga ka-inspired, I will end this video by saying to you, look around you and be inspired.